This is Donnie from ADX Clubs. Today's workout is restoration, or you can use it as endurance. Just add more reps and sets in for the endurance part. Check it out. First exercise I did was front swings. I did that for 300 reps. Do that any way you can to get those 300 reps. I began with one-handed on the side, switched to two hands in the middle, and then one hand on the other side, and switched it up. Do that, take a little break, come back, use an arc or a club or even your mace. And the first exercise that we're going to do today is the long cycle. Be careful if you're using an arc or a mace that you don't clip the ground by doing long cycle. And long cycle again is with, you got that slight front swing going into it. Make sure you clean it up to here, just like that on the side ready position. Make sure the elbow is a little forward. It's not back here causing the shoulder to collapse. Put the club behind your back with the elbow pointing as forward as you can. Don't be way out here. You want to be in the forward position. Draw it back over. Cast it outward and back again to start the cycle over. Make sure that you get that cast outward by lifting up the elbow. You drive the elbow pit upward to be able to force the club head out. Just like that. Don't just let it fall. The next exercise was halos, and I'm doing those very lightweight, focusing on the movement. Do not move the head. Try to get that arm all the way around and do a lot of reps. Get that feeling good. Loosen up the shoulders. Do both arms. And focus on good form. Just like that. The next exercise is going to be a cycle press, which is something new. You got to be able to get your hand this way, so if you don't have enough internal elbow rotation, do not do this exercise. Just take your club and do the regular rebel press, or the redneck press as it's called. If you do have enough internal rotation to get your hand with your thumb down like this, begin with the club at the side. My elbow is right against my iliac crest, my hip right here. Internally rotated elbow on the top. Press upward into an overhead press, arms locked out. And drive with the bottom hand, drive upward. Make sure you're not getting any thoracic rotation when you're coming down this way. You want to keep the body nice and straight to be able to lower the club downward. Anyway, I'll leave you a set and rep scheme in the description. You guys like these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sign up on the ADX Club website for our blog, and also like us, friend us, hate us on Facebook. See you guys on the platform. Vegas is coming soon. Peace.